الفيديو ده مخصص للدرس الثالث والرابع من الوحدة الثانية، وفي نهاية الفيديو هنحل كام سؤال اختياري كده على الكلمات اللي اتشرحت النهاردة. bar graph bar graph bar graph bar chart bar chart bar chart bar chart يعني رسم بياني بالأعمدة.
And this is a bar graph describing my favorite pies. And this is a bar graph describing my favorite pies.
cheerful cheerful
Like I'd never be cheerful again. Like I'd never be cheerful again.
conclude conclude يعني يختتم أو يستنتج، والاسم منها conclusion conclusion يعني خاتمة أو استنتاج. cross cross ممكن يبقى معناها شخص غاضب أو فعل بمعنى يعبر، زي يعبر الطريق مثلا.
I wonder if she's cross with me for not writing. I wonder if she's cross with me for not writing.
You know what a chicken crossed the road? You know what a chicken crossed the road?
cruel cruel
Don't be cruel. Don't be cruel.
eye contact eye contact
My dad says that I have trouble making eye contact. My dad says that I have trouble making eye contact.
grumpy grumpy
Wonder why I'm grumpy. Wonder why I'm grumpy.
impatient impatient يعني شخص غير صبور، وعكسها patient يعني شخص صبور. بس كلمة patient ممكن برضو يكون معناها مريض. majority majority يعني أغلبية، وعكسها الأقلية يعني minority minority. miserable miserable
The least a girl like that'll do for you is make you miserable. The least a girl like that'll do for you is make you miserable.
naughty naughty
Grown-ups don't believe in the naughty list. Grown-ups don't believe in the naughty list.
percentage percentage
Just increases the percentage of risk. Just increases the percentage of risk.
reflect reflect ممكن يكون معناها يعكس، يبين أو يفكر فيه. significant significant
Everyone is significant. Everyone is significant.
activist activist
You were the activist. You were the activist.
adventure adventure
Death is not an adventure. Death is not an adventure.
affect affect
What you do within this group affects all of us. What you do within this group affects all of us.
aim aim
My aim here is to save them. My aim here is to save them.
Alzheimer's Alzheimer's
And I have Alzheimer's disease. And I have Alzheimer's disease.
attention attention
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
bright bright
I mean, it's a really bright star. I mean, it's a really bright star.
colonial colonial critical thinkers cure cure
We need this cure. We need this cure.
development disabled
Care and companionship for a disabled man. Care and companionship for a disabled man.
economic
That was the economic system back then. That was the economic system back then.
especially fair figure gender increasingly judge march norms
Societal norms are being completely abandoned. Societal norms are being completely abandoned.
noticeable
They're not that noticeable on your face. Right? They're not that noticeable on your face. Right?
obvious
Whatever it isn't obvious. Whatever it isn't obvious.
parliament
The English have a parliament. The English have a parliament.
pattern
But it's like a regular pattern now.
pause
We need to pause right here and just think about all of this. We need to pause right here and just think about all of this.
present, present. Protest, protest.
Protest? Protest?
Purify, purify. Raise, raise. Region, region.
Our port there was once the busiest in the region. Our port there was once the busiest in the region.
Scientific, scientific. Similar, similar.
You and I are similar. You and I are similar.
Speculate, speculate. Speech, speech. Statement, statement. Swing, swing. Trouble, trouble.
The government, they make it a trouble. The government, they make it a trouble.
Vision, vision.
My vision is sharp as a tack for the first time in months. My vision is sharp as a tack for the first time in months.
Vote, vote.
I voted for the other guy. I voted for the other guy.
Women's Day, Women's Day. She always smiles and spreads positivity. A. Miserable. بائس. B. Grumpy. حاد الطبع. C. Cheerful. بشوش أو مبهج. D. Cruel. قاسي. الإجابة الصح هي C. Cheerful. She's very cheerful. She always smiles and spreads positivity. The teacher asked the students to pay to the lesson. A. Conclusion. خاتمة أو استنتاج. B. Attention. انتباه. C. Cure. علاج. D. Patient. يعني مريض أو صبور. الإجابة الصح هي B. Attention. The teacher asked the students to pay attention to the lesson. The new law was discussed in before it was approved. A. Parliament. البرلمان. B. Adventure. يعني مغامرة. C. Vision. يعني رؤية. D. Graph. يعني رسم بياني. الإجابة الصح هي A. Parliament. The new law was discussed in Parliament before it was approved. The scientist made a discovery that changed the world. A. Significant. يعني مهم أو ذو أهمية كبرى. B. Naughty. يعني شقي. C. Fair. يعني عادل. D. Bright. يعني لامع أو مشرق. الإجابة الصح هي A. Significant. The scientist made a significant discovery that changed the world. The percentage of students passing the exam is shown in the A. Activist. يعني ناشط. B. Bar graph. يعني رسم بياني بالأعمدة. C. Cure. يعني علاج. أو D. March. يعني يمشي في مسيرة. الإجابة الصح هي B. Bar graph. The percentage of students passing the exam is shown in the bar graph. The little boy was very and kept breaking the rules. A. Patient. يعني صبور أو مريض. B. Naughty. يعني شقي أو مشاغب. C. Miserable. بائس. D. Similar. يعني مشابه. الإجابة الصح هي B. Naughty. The little boy was very naughty and kept breaking the rules. Many people went to the streets against the new policies. A. Vote. ينتخب. B. Protest. يحتج. C. Pause. يوقف أو يتوقف. D. Raise. يعني يرفع. الإجابة الصح هي protest. Many people went to the streets to protest against the new policies. يعني ناس كتيرة اتجهت إلى الشوارع لتحتج ضد السياسات الجديدة. كلمة policies يعني سياسات. The doctor is trying to find a for the disease. A. Cure. يعني علاج. B. Pattern. يعني نمط أو صيغة. C. Figure. يعني شخص أو رقم. D. Speech. يعني خطاب. الإجابة الصح هي A. Cure. يعني علاج. The doctor is trying to find a cure for the disease. The company wants to its standards to improve the quality of products. A. March. يعني يمشي في مسيرة. B. Conclude. يعني يستنتج. C. Raise. يعني يرفع. D. Aim. يعني يهدف إلى أو هدف. الإجابة الصح هي C. Raise. The company wants to raise its standards to improve the quality of products. She gave a powerful about women's rights at the conference. A. Trouble يعني مأزق أو مشكلة. B. Speech يعني خطاب. C. Vision يعني رؤية. D. Percentage يعني نسبة مئوية. الإجابة الصح هي B. Speech يعني خطاب. She gave a powerful speech about women's rights at the conference.